baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another Christmas DIY to share with you guys. Alright everyone, here is all the items that we'll be using for our DIYs today, and everything will be listed down below in the description box so you guys can see what I use, where I got them from, and get some for yourself to do these quick and easy DIYs. Alright, we have these two little foam trees that I got from Dollar Tree, and these bling gems, you can get them from Dollar Tree or Dollarama, and we're just going to place them all around our little Christmas cone going all the way up, Christmas tree cone. And now that our tree's done, we're going to use this gem from Totally Dazzled. It's a little snowflake. I'm just going to use it and place it on the top of our Christmas tree. Now we have our reindeer, and I'm going to add these two little gems to give him two eyes. I'd like his eyes to stand out, so I'm just going to add these gems. And now I'm going to just dress him up a bit by giving him some bling going around his body's part. And now I'm going to add some fur to our reindeer, which is just fur I had lying around the house from an old coat that I wasn't using anymore. I cut the fur off, so I'm just reusing it and adding it to bling out my reindeer. And now I'm going to add this bow gem. You know I love my bling gems from Totally Dazzled. I'm just going to add it to the side of the reindeer. Just a little added touch. Alright everyone, here's our finished look. I think the reindeers look so nice, all blinged out. OMG, they look so super cute. And our Christmas trees look nice too. I love the fur around the reindeer's neck, the black fur, just some extra fur I had around the house. You know, you can reuse things and make something look lovely. And I love the blinged out gems from Totally Dazzled. You know I absolutely love these gems. And the cute little snowflake ones on top of our little Christmas trees. I think they look so super cute.
Moco Productions.
And here's a way that I am displaying them. I think they look very nice. Two lovely decor for the Christmas season to add some bling to your home. And here's where I place the Christmas trees within these tall candle holders. I think they look very nice. Tell me what you think about these two lovely, these four lovely Christmas DIYs for your home. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think, and give me a thumbs up. Press that like button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the Christmas DIYs that I love to share with you guys. And remember, as always, Stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye, everyone.